Hey, how's it been going everyone? Welcome to my channel. The video that I have promised you to upload this day had arrived. This is the part 5 of What If Goku was the first god of destruction. I hope that you will like this video. The target goal is 30 likes. I know you will do it in no time. And as I always say, if you do not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe. You can change your mind in any time. And one thing that one of my subscribers asked me to do, so for him, Novel Nangting, big shout out to you. So now let's get into this video. Previously in What If Goku was the first god of destruction, we mentioned that Goku go to Universe 7 Supreme Cast planet first and there he meet with Shin and Kabito. After that he get the chance to pull the Z sword out of the big rock, and then he not just do that but also break the sword like it's child play. It caused Old Kai to release from there, so he thanks Goku and wanted to unlock his potential. But Goku's power throw him far from Goku. So as Old Kai asks some questions, Goku just leave and go to Vegeta's planet. Goku there did not able to stay for long and go to Universe 6. There he also do the same, like going to the Kai's planet first and then Champa's planet. There he meet with some other Saiyans and Vados. Goku asks can he train with them for some time, but Cauliflower attitudely said, can you think you deserve to train with us? And Goku replied, can you want to try me? So this is the shortly story of part 3. If you did not saw that, please give it a visit. I think you will love it. So now let's start this part. You bastard, how dare you talk to me like this? I will show you your place all by myself. And they get ready. Cauliflower charge at Goku. Goku just dodge her and swing his hand on the air. Cauliflower get flying away by the air pressure that was hit her. Cauliflower looked behind and said, oh, I see you have some techniques on your sleeve, but it does not matter. You will be punished. And she transformed into her Super Saiyan God. Kaba said from aside, Cauliflower, it would be overkill. You should stop. Cauliflower don't listen to him and shut him up. Then she again charged at Goku and tried to punch him, but Goku deflect her punch only using his two fingers and throw her to the ground. Cauliflower get more angrier, so she did not thinking anything, transform into her Super Saiyan Blue evolution and try to attack him with her full power. Goku smirked and easily just dodging her attack like he did not even move. Free Cauliflower on her back and she gets smashed to a nearby tree. Varus and others get so shocked and started having many questions on their mind. Goku told Varus to heal Cauliflower and said, is now you think I deserve to qualify to enter your training session? Yeah, but how did you? You said you were sane, hence you did not even transform once and also able to defeat Cauliflower with her full power. How is this possible? It is possible, it just needed a lot of hardcore training and year of experience. But I did not think it makes sense. Varus also having a little confusion about it. Goku said, hey guys, stop thinking so much about it. Let's start our training. And they start their training. Goku tell them about some fighting style and about some move that they can use it in their real battle. After that, they end their today's training. Kaba Kale Cauliflower really likes Goku's training and thanks him. Then Goku go with Vados to meet with Champa. Arriving there, the commotion did not go as he thought it would be. Champa did not like the fact that another person came to his planet. So Champa ordered him to leave this planet immediately. Goku did not argue about it so much and prepared to leave. But before leaving, he told Vados she is kinda cute and he likes her. And by saying that, he fly away. Vados make a confused face, and then she said, Champa-sama, would not he could be a big help if he stayed here? Why is that? Because he is super strong. He easily defeated Cauliflower in her full power without even getting a scratch. What? Cauliflower is even stronger than me. How did he beat her? Why did not you tell me this before? Vado search him and tell him to come back. Yes, she tried to find him but did not able to locate him. So she said, Champa-sama, I don't know, but something is odd. Something is blocking our communication. While Goku go to other universes to meet the others accordingly. In that time, when Goku visit Universe 11, he sends a power level that almost near to Vegeta's full power. After getting to Topo's planet, Goku meet Topo and the person who have the power that he sensed before, which is Jiren. They are pretty nice to him because they are mainly protector of justice. They love to save people, so they are quite nice to Goku. As usual, Goku had a little chat with them and challenged Jiran. First, Toppo and others think that Goku is out of his mind, but when Jiran agreed and they clashed to each other, their mind get blown off. Even Jiran using his full power get defeated, and saying then goodbye, he leave the place and came back to his palace. He called the Aishinkin, and so the Aishinkin instantly arrived in front of him and said, "Lord, how's been your journey?" To be honest, it was pretty good. I love that the most of the civilization are become friendly and living peacefully. I had a nice time with them. Just one thing that I did not like that much is the lack of knowledge of most of the destroyer and the arrogant behavior of them. They become so proudful of their own power. I see. So if you have anything in your mind, it is very tough to get into some decision. But I think we have to start from the beginning. We have to teach them what the real purpose of the destroyer and what they really meant to be stabilized. So Lord, what your first step would be? Dashing can make a conference call to every universe's destroyer and supreme Kai for me. Meanwhile, in Vegeta's planet, Trunks, Yom, and Broly already came for their weekly training session. Trunks then go to Vegeta and Whis and said, "Dad, 2 days ago we met an awesome guy in Earth. He is also a Saiyan, and you will not believe what he have done there. He challenged Broly and also easily able to defeat him in his Master Instinct. What? Are you joking around? There is no way anyone just easily defeat him." So for make sure he asked Broly, but Broly also told the truth. Vegeta in shock asked, "What is his name?" It was Goku. What? That moron. He did came here yesterday, but I did not let him to stay much longer here. What? How he know your location? He told me that you guys are the one who helped him to get here. What? No, we did not. So as the talking goes on, Dashing can do the thing with his staff and call in the every angel's staff and Supreme Guy's globe. Wall get call and understand that this is from Dashinkin, so Wall receive the call, including Whis. Dashinkin said, "Greetings. It's been a while since I called like this all of my beloved sons, daughters, and the others who is out there." While seeing Dashinkin bow their heads towards him. "Nice to meet you, father. Is anything happened that you want to tell all of us?" "Yes, the thing that I did not tell anyone for millions of years, but I think it's time for you to know about our mighty first god of destruction." Hmm? First god of destruction? Yes, we do not know anything about him. Who is he? If you're thinking why I kept this secret for all this time, and all of a sudden I am telling this all to you, be it because the first lord was forced to sleep for millions of years by a wish's magic, so it could be dangerous for his safety. But now he is awake. So you had to know about him. Behold yourself. He is the first and last Lord who was the destroyer of all the multiverse, and the strongest person that I knew so far, who even surpasses me. And I believe that you already meet him at this point. His name is. Wall is looking at the staff and wards very eagerly to know about him. His name is Lord Goku. Wall gets shocked by the appearance of Goku. The ones who disrespect Goku started to get nervous and sweat dropped from them like crazy. Goku started to talk. "Yo, hey guys, I know you get shocked after hearing that I am the first one of you, and I also know that it is hard to take it in, but it is the truth. If you worried for disrespecting me, don't be uncomfortable. I am not going to do anything about that, but it's not the thing that I call you all here right now. So let's end this part here. Hope you guys like it. Sorry for being one day late. It took a lot of time to think about the story. So if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my videos notification as fast as I upload. And if you want to join my Discord, the link in the description. Now, okay then, see ya, bye bye.